today's video I'm going to show you how to find the WPS pin number of your Canon Pixma MG3600 series printer. Now first step is to switch on the printer and go to the control panel. On the display panel we have to press and hold the stop button up to the warning light flashes 21 times. So let's start with that. Press and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Release it. Now press and hold the wireless button. Release it and press it again. It will send a command for the printer to print the network configuration page. Here we can see it has printed the network configuration page. In the network configuration page you will see it says MAC address under the wireless LAN and WPS pin code. This is the pin number you have to use for the WPS Wi-Fi setup. So this is the WPS pin code. Thanks for watching.